In the last episode we sailed from Savu to the Yasawas.
Quite a bit of wave still from yesterday. Almost at the island. Sails are already down. Drifting a bit. Not impressed by the first two anchorages, first sight. Anchor there in front of the cage. We're going Savu together with Moorea, the Lagoon 420.
We're going to do Savu here. So we're going to give this present to the chief. It's kava.
And then we hope that he allows us to stay here.
We were again next to Julia, a very beautiful two-master, and they have a very special dinghy. They row it and they sail it. So it's not yet high tide. So Mark is going. Yeah.
Cold bones. Yeah, that's my love.
We are exploring the areas where we were with John and Leanne 9 years ago, and I'm even trying to copy her yoga pose.
Does she know that we bleed the same? Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I'll break that way.
Hier kan het dadelijk ondiep worden. Ah!
cold sheets. Oh, where's my love? I am searching high, I'm searching low in the night. Ooh, does she know that we think that?
Moorea is coming as well, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to be leaning on you guys a little bit.
That's alright. Carmen is preparing the coconut milk.
Should be good.
Did she run away? Did she run away? I don't know. If she ran away, come back home. Just come home.
The guys from Moorea come over with the meat and we're going to have a lovely curry, completely prepared on the beach.
I got a fear, oh, in my blood. She was carried up into the clouds high above. Ooh, if you bled, I'll bleed the same. Ooh, if you're scared, I'm on my way. Did you run away?
there's a big fire
Did you
there.
run away? I don't need to know. But if you ran away, come back home.
This was such a memorable night. It was very, very special. Thank you guys.
Time to go to the Blue Lagoon. We prepared the A2 so it gets some air. We haven't used it for a while, so Wasa is coming as well. Moorea too, I guess. It's only a small trip today. Go out here, around that, and then from the outside to the Blue Lagoon. 12 miles and the motor out of the bay here. Hij staat zo strak. Stop. Normaal heb ik die altijd hier los.
Wat weet je zeker dat dat niet trekt? Ja, muren.
Staat er alle twee. Oh ja, hij moet andersom.
We have to work on our French. Amure is stack. So we had to put the asymmetrical spinnaker the other way around. Luckily there's no wind, so then you can find out everything again.
Well, we're not going fast, but it's out there in the air.
It is pretty relaxed, just sailing on the spinnaker with hardly any wind, and we only had to do 10 or 12 miles, so that was perfect.
So hot today. Just a couple of knots of wind. We are arriving in the Blue Lagoon.
savannah scatters and the seabird sings.
Busy days.
So why should we fear what travel brings? What were we hoping to get out of this? Some kind of momentary bliss. I waited for something, and something died. So I waited for nothing, and nothing arrived. It's our dearest ally, it's our closest friend, it's our darkest blackout, it's our final.
Next island. This is the island where there should be a plane to snorkel to on the other side.
Let's start anew. From here on in, it's just me and you.
So it's between the fourth and the fifth island.
Something died. So I waited for nothing, and nothing arrived. Well, I guess it's over, I guess it's begun. It's a loser's table, but we've already won. It's a funny battle, it's a constant game. I guess I was busy.
So this night we are invited on Moorea and we're doing some songs again.
One of those, but then I can't play harmonica. I can't.
So basically in the shadow of the Fiji Level. So last couple of days we don't have a lot of wind. We're sailing together with Wasa. It's nice to adapt a little bit. And we're going to Manta Ray Island now. That's the place where last time we were in Fiji we saw the Manta Ray. Saint-Germain. Close racing. We on the sails and they're on the engine.
Moorea has to go back to Nadi now because they are sort of in a hurry to continue. Thank you guys, we had a lovely time together. Wasa is again out of water, so they're coming by in Manta Ray Island, next to us, and we can fill them up with 240 liters of water again.
Looked it up and I couldn't find a matching picture in my book. So,
Dinner for tonight.
We were planning to have a pizza together, but Paul caught a fish during the trip, so we're going to prepare the fish tonight.
Paul feels better this morning. We were supposed to bring him to the mainland. He had serious fever yesterday evening. It seems like the antibiotics have kicked in. He messaged me this morning already that he feels good enough to take Wasa along. It's about 40 miles. I'm glad he feels better.
Ain't no sunshine when he's gone.
Kijk, hier zie je in feite in het
There's not one when he's away.
Maar hij zei, als je wat verder die kant op zou.
Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. And he's always gone too long.
Next stop for Manta Ray Bay, we go out and then go south around the corner of Waya, where the Octopus Resort is. One reef in the main and the Soland.
Just ain't no home.
And the rudder angle goes to 7, 8 and then back to 1. Normally it's much more constant. 2 reefs would probably have been better for the balance of the boat. Well, it's only 3.5 miles. Then we're around the corner and we're going to anchor there in front of the resort. Let's get the sails down.
Gonna leave you thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. It's not warm when he's away. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. And he's always gone too long.
Nice anchorage at the Octopus Resort. Very good holding in sand, but there are lots of gusts there. But the boat is safe. In the next episode, we are going to continue to the Mamanucas.